Okay, so what we have here is an example using Amazon's Sumerian. I'm really enjoying this application. I went through one of the tutorials, and you can see what I created was a drone with some simple controls inside this element. As I was easily to create some control logic. You can see it activating in the state machine window down here. I hit left. I hit an A to go left, D to go right. I'm hitting W to go up. This is fairly simple. So I'm going to stop it here. You can see my model, some of the logic here that I programmed into it. So this is a quick overview, a quick demo of Amazon Sumerian. Really easy tool to use. Very powerful because I can push the stuff to a web browser and don't have to worry about deploying to any specific device. Cool stuff.